Hi friends, I'm Sofia from Expert Guidance Academy, and in this video we are going to learn 3 different ways to introduce yourself. So are you excited to learn about it? Alright, so to start with, see, first impression is the best impression. So it comes with the introduction part. So the introduction has to be very short. At the same time, it should be impressive. Somewhere we need to give short introductions, and somewhere we need to give long introduction. So it depends on the situation. Sometimes we need to give a long introduction where we need to brief a lot about ourselves, and in some places we need to give short introduction just to make it concise and cut short the introduction. So are you excited to know the steps? All right. So the very first thing which you have to remember, my dear friends, when you're going for an interview and you're introducing yourself in a job interview, so what do you need to keep it in your mind? You just need to keep these things in your mind. Like, you have to tell your name. My name is, your name you have to give, and then I completed about your qualification and the number of years experience you have. Like, I have experience in, then you can tell the position, the relevant position. Like, I have to, for example, I have 13 years of experience as a teacher. While working for that, what all the things you learned while working for that particular company, that point also you can add it on when you are explaining about your previous work experience. So these main points you should keep it in your mind, and you have to also tell for which role you have applied there. So these points, my dear friends, you need to keep it when you are giving an introduction in the job, when you go for a job interview. And you can also say that I have been hoping to work on my ambition, and you can talk about that what you like about the company where you have gone, and also some positive salutations you should say before you leave it. Like, I look forward to get a call from your end. Thank you in advance for your time. So this simple way you have to give your introduction in job interview. Moving on to the introduction, when you are introducing yourself to a team, then you just have to say that your name, I have just joined the department, mention the department name. For example, you are in the technical field, you're into the technical department, that you can say, and list out your experiences and the task and situation. And I have had the pleasure of meeting you. By telling that, make the team comfortable and confident that they may accept you as a team member or as a TL. Alright, my dear friends, moving on to the third way of introducing yourself professionally is simply your name, your position in the company, and where I focus on, it means mention the key responsibilities or the area of expertise. And I have been working, tell the field which you have worked, and a strong background. It means a specific skill and experience relevant to the job that you have to mention. And it's a great to meet in person. Finally you have to say these words. I would love to chat about, share your interest. Sometimes you are asked about your interest, sometimes you're asked about your hobbies, but in most of the interviews, hobbies about the interest is not been asked. So in that case, you can add your hobbies and interest and also the aim. At the aim end, you can even say that my aim is to, whatever is your aim, you can express your desire. Like, I would like to see myself as a senior manager after 5 years. So in these simple ways you can introduce yourself, and very soon we will also see how to give introduction to your neighbors, to your friend circle. When you meet, how would you introduce yourself? With this, I'm signing up. See you in the next video. Bye.